Hey everyone and welcome back to Sudama Lab. Microsoft just released a brand new Windows 11 Canary build, 29,553.1000, and this update brings a major redesign, new privacy controls, and more surprising useful features you don't expect. So let's dive in. So first, what exactly is this build? The update is paired up 29,500 storage, which is highly experimental, early development, likely connected to Windows 11 version 27H2. But here is the important part. If you upgrade to this branch, it cannot roll back without a clean install. So this is strictly advanced insiders. Let's talk about the biggest highlight of this update. A completely redesigned feedback hub, and honestly, this was long overdue. Now instead of separate confusing categories, everything is submitted through one simplified form. Cleaner, faster, less confusing. You can now send positive feedback, not just bugs, but features you like, things that actually works. This helps Microsoft prioritize what users love, not just what's broken. The My Feedback section is now easier to access directly in the main sidebar, no more digging around. If you press Win key plus F, Plotting or Mini Feedback Hub will be there. This is a big upgrade. You can now submit feedback instantly without opening the full app. Perfect for reporting issues in real time. Now, if you want to make suggestions, if you go there, now when you add a screenshot, now you get improved capture tools, preview before submitting, better clarity for reports, which means fewer ignored bug reports. Now, if you just click on the screenshot, if you want to highlight something, select it, highlight, and just try circle, and you can see it's highlighted. And then if you want to hide something, click on it, and then just click like this, it's hide. And now if you want to crop, select it, just select, and if you click on save, it's saved. Now it's more useful and more important. That's awesome. Now another important change, privacy control. Now when you submit feedback, you can choose public, that means visible to everyone, or private, only Microsoft sees it. This is huge for sensitive issues, system level bugs, finally more control in your hands. Power settings are not unified across all plans. So, changes like sleep, screen timeout, lid close behavior apply everywhere consistently. No more confusion between power modes. Now go to settings, Bluetooth on devices, and cameras. You will see pan control, tilt control if your camera supports it. Great for meetings, streaming, content creation. Microsoft also improved settings app loading speed, stability in privacy and security. Small upgrades but noticeable. Now let's look usability features. New emojis added. Emoji 16.0. More expressions, new symbols, updated visuals. Nothing major, but nice to have. This one's actually powerful. Now, while renaming any file or any folder, just type F2 and rename will be there. And now if you press Win key plus H, you can rename file using your voice. No typing needed. This is faster, more accessible, very useful productivity. Quick warning before you install this build. It's experimental. Bugs are expected. Features may disappear, and most importantly, you can't go back without reinstalling Windows. So don't install this on your main system. So yeah, this might not look like a massive update, actually shaping how Windows will evolve next, especially the new feedback hub that could change how Microsoft listens to users. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your favorite feature, and subscribe to Demo Lab for more Windows updates. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.